Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you today? Today I am back with one more luxurious hotel. I am sure you will like this place. Please subscribe to my channel. You will see more videos like this. This is just a sample, this is just a trailer. There are more videos like this, and each of them is really the best. So please subscribe to my channel. So let's start today's video. So as you can see, this is my room today. This is jacuzzi. It is in my room, and there is no separate, but that is the best part of this. This is the shower area, as you can see. Have you ever seen a shower like this? But I like the design. The hotel is very choosy. They got the best from different parts. Like just look at this. This is for good quality American standard. So the venue is very nice, pretty good quality everywhere. And this is also given by the hotel. Complimentary stuff. So all in all, this is really good value for money. How many of you want to come for honeymoon here? Please comment, then I will tell you the name, address and other things, how to get here. Please have a look at this. I'm really enjoying this. I spent a lot of time in this jacuzzi. It's really very relaxing, and I'm feeling great after coming here. So I would be glad if you come here and enjoy this. So have a look at this one more time. Now let me show you the other part. As you can see, this is the bed. Look at this, guys. How is this? It's really very comfortable. I cannot describe how great I am feeling right now. This is the ceiling. The aircon is here, so it's really very quiet. And this is the double bed. The mattress is very soft. There are 4 pillows provided by the hotel and 2 small pillows, so it's really very nice. Here are some this is tea and coffee maker, some sugar, and some complimentary stuff. I bought some chocolate from the market. There's an electronic safe here, so you can store your valuables here. This is for mosquitoes, because in the evening time there are a lot of mosquitoes, and they have provided everything, so you should not have any problem and you enjoy the vacation. There's a television here, LED, and this is a refrigerator here. So this is the best, really. Now let me show you. There are 2 balconies, and this is one of the 2 balconies. How's this, guys? Let me show you. The chair is very comfortable here. The view from balcony. How's this, guys? The chair is made up of wood, and it's the position of like now I'm sitting right now, so it's very comfortable. It's good for your back, and that's why you feel very relaxed. And now after some time after finishing this video, I'll drink tea here in the balcony. Have a look at this, guys. This is the room. Now let me show you the other balcony. Well, this is called the king room, and this is the best room of the hotel. This is for my clothes. Yeah, So this is balcony number 2. They have big sofa here and 2 small chairs and a table. You see guys, this is really this is my private. This is not the hotel reception. This is only for me. I have the access of to this. And this, you see on the right, even this room has got a special access. The rest of the rooms are on the left hand side, and this is on the right hand side, and this is my own area, all this. So this is the balcony number 1 I showed you, and this is the big balcony. So if you want privacy here from others, if you want to watch the street, you can come here. If you want privacy here, you want to relax, so this is a big sofa here, very nice and comfortable. Yeah, it's very soft. Let me show you this one. Oh, there's a dustbin here. All nice use of wooden products here, handmade. This look at the cushion, very nice, soft. So you can sit back, relax here. If you are on honeymoon, you can enjoy with your wife or girlfriend, or if you are with a family and kids. So this is perfect place. You won't be disappointed if you stay here. Let me show you the room. Some other thing I wanted to show you. It's very quiet here, you see. It's very much enjoyable. I'm going to show you some more things. So this is my room. This is called King Room. Obviously, this is the best room, and they did all this there. These are the other rooms, and that one is the Queen Room, and on the left there are other rooms. But this room where I am staying now is the best. Now let me show you some more things. There are many windows in this, and you can cover it if you want. This is wash basin, American standard. This. So the quality, fit and finish. These are some complimentary stuff provided by the hotel. All this. Even this is, so where you are. This is a hair dryer. All in all, very nice for a perfect vacation. There's a so this is really fit for a king. All the amenities provided, the room and everything. You can come here for honeymoon, you can come here for vacation, just sit back like right now I am having fun here. And I went to the market, so after that I relaxed in this jacuzzi for some time. I took a shower, and absolutely stunning. The feel of this room is really very nice. I really enjoy it. I hope you are also enjoying it in the same way. Please have a look at my other videos on channel, and subscribe to my channel. Please share this with all your other friends, and I'm sure you will like them, and your friends will also like them. Please subscribe. If you want to ask something, you can comment and tell. Bye for now. Also watch the end screens, and you can choose some more videos which I put on the end screens. You can choose from them. Bye for now.